Hi there, I'm Yvonne de Celis coming to you on YDCtv. Today is Friday and it is almost 3 p.m. I'm here to show you a few energy medicine exercises, and the reason I'm throwing them all together in one video is I've had a few requests from people to put them all together as many times as I can, so that's why I try to put in more than one at a time. I'm sorry if that's a pain, but doing requests for people, so that's why this is here. That's why this video is here. Actually, a good friend of mine recently had a sad anniversary, so I'm hoping this will help her, but I'm hoping it will help other people as well. So if you have problems with sadness or trauma or overwhelm, this is for you. This is an energy medicine exercise that should assist if you're stressed out, freaked out, upset, anything. This should help. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this trauma and overwhelm energy medicine exercise I discovered by Donna Eden. The first thing you want to do is put your face in your hands. You just put your hands together and hold your face. She said what a lot of people have a tendency to do when they're really upset is to hold their head and go like this. And she said this is a good position to have because this taps into the penetrative flow, which is where your emotions go when you're feeling down. So this is a good position to hold. You can hold this. If you can, breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. If not, just breathe deeply. And just hold this as long as you want. But from here, you can take your middle fingers and put them right at the bridge, right underneath your third eye. So right underneath the third eye, which is between your brows, where your nose meets your face. But right there, press in pretty hard. And as you exhale, bring your hands up. Just drag up across your forehead and go up to your hairline. And then move your hands together this way to the middle of your forehead. Once again, press in. And now pull back. You're opening your energy right here. Bring your hands to your temples. And now just press into your temples. You can hold this pose here. You can also end this routine here if you wish. But what I find very helpful from here is to just go down to your heart chakra. So put your hands crisscross against your heart chakra and just hold it here for a moment. And then let go. One other thing you can add from here, if you wish, is just go across and squeeze your arms as you go down, all the way across, and then just rub your hands together, shake them out to get rid of any negative energy that you may have picked up along the way. We'll do that one more time. And now this last one that I'm going to do is another energy medicine. This is something I discovered by Prune Harris, who is another Donna Eden devotee. This is an energy medicine exercise she did that also taps into the penetrative flow. She called this one penetrative flow. I'm actually going to stand for this really quickly because the position actually starts here. So you want to put your hands on your waists. Sorry, my pants are falling off. I've lost way too much weight from switching over to Tecfidera. Sorry about that. Anyway, hands on the waist. And what you want to do is, I'm going to turn around to show you this and also hopefully move my chair out of the way so you can see what I'm doing. So you got to go back, put your thumbs not onto, but side by side to the spine. And right here, this is where the penetrative flow starts. So you want to start massaging. You can go up, and then you can go down to the sacrum. But what you want to do from here is to go up and to the front. And now you're going to go down to the pubic bone. And from here, you're going to be at the pubic bone and you're going to go up. I'm going to be sitting down again pretty soon, so I'm moving my chair back into position. But you're going to go up, 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 all the way up to your face. But then we're going to start making some figure eights across our face. So just crisscross, down, back up, crisscross, down, and then onto the heart chakra from there. And once again, just hold it at the heart chakra. You can also do that move from here where you do the squeeze down. I just find that helpful. That's up to you if you want to add that in. And then just don't forget, rub your hands together, shake them out. So if you want to do this one more time with me, we can do this exercise one more time together. Once again, to go to the penetrative flow, start at the waist. Bring your hands together at the back. You can either do it this way or you can bring your thumbs together and then just start the massage. Go down to the sacrum, Sacrum's in the back and front. It goes down to the pubic bone roughly. It's right around here is where the sacrum area is in the front and back. But you're going to come to the front and then go to the pubic bone and then just go up, 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 all the way up to your face, where we're going to then do the crisscross figure eights. Just across, and then from there to the heart chakra. And again, this should help. This should give you some joy or some hope. If you're feeling down, I really do hope this helps you. Please let me know in the comments section down below. Also, if you would like to learn more about my channel, please click the subscribe button, which by now I think you'll see there's a subscribe button in the bottom right corner of your screen, which I believe is there. Oops, sorry, it might be there. I don't really know. But if you could click that, it's free to do. It will subscribe you to my channel, which means YouTube will give you occasional notifications when I put up videos or changes, unless you click that bell that shows up next to the word subscribe, which means you'll get notified every time I do anything, which I do not recommend you do. But you can if you want. Any kind of interactivity is very much appreciated. And also, I very much appreciate you being here. Thank you so much. Namaste. Peace and light. I will be back in a few more days, probably next week at this point, with more videos for you. So hope it's helpful, and I hope you're feeling better. Thank you.